Question number 6. It is given copper wire has diameter 0.5 mm. Die is given as 0.5 mm. So convert it into meter. So it will be meter. It is given diameter. If you have to calculate the radius, so you have to divide by 2. So 0.5 means 1 by 2, and it will be 1 by 2 again. So it will be 1 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay. Resistivity is given as rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of the wire to make resistance? 10 ohm. Resistance is given as 10 ohm. How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? If the diameter is doubled, you have to calculate R dash if diameter is doubled. Okay. तो यहाँ देखो आपको पहले लेंथ कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. लेंथ कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. So R is equal to rho L by A. A is what? Pi R square. Okay. Everything is in the same unit. So put the value. So L will be R A upon rho. Okay. So the value of R is 10 ohm. Area is pi R square. 1 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square upon resistivity is given to you 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. So 10 raised to the power 8 will go to the numerator, it will be positive. So it will be 10 raised to the power 9 into pi into 1 by 16 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 upon 1.6. 10 raised to the power minus 6, 10 raised to the power minus, plus 9. So it will be minus, so it will be plus 3. 1 by 16 means 1 by 16 into 1.6. So 16 into 6, 25.6. हो चुका तो 3.14 into 10 is power 3 upon 25.6. It will be the value of length. अब आपको length की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. So you have to find the R dash. क्या फाइंड करना है? अभी बोला है कि diameter is doubled. Diameter double मतलब अरे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 1 आ जाएगा. 1 into 10 to the minus 3. तो R dash कैलकुलेट करना है. अब डायमीटर का कितना गिवन है? 0.5 और 1 into 10 to the minus 3 मीटर. लेंथ इज गिवन है. जो लेंथ होगी लेंथ तो वही रहेगी, सेम रहेगी. तो यहाँ से आप R dash की वैल्यू R dash इक्वल टू रो L by A डैश कैलकुलेट करिए. देखिए यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का जो लेंथ है, लेंथ इज 1 to 2. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग इट विल बी 1 to 2.7 मीटर. अब यहाँ सेकंड पार्ट में पूछा है कि इफ रेडियस इज डबल, डायमीटर इज डबल. अभी डायमीटर गिवन था हाफ, उसका डबल करेंगे तो इट विल बी 1 into 10 to the minus 3 मीटर. अब आपको लेंथ तो सेम है, आपने कैलकुलेट कर ली, बट यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. डायमीटर डबल किया है, इसमें लेंथ चेंज नहीं की है. अब इस केस में क्या होगा? R dash इक्वल टू रो L by A dash. अब यहाँ पे जब डायमीटर डबल हो जाएगा तो उसके लिए जो एरिया होगा A dash इक्वल टू पाई d dash अपॉन 4. अब यहाँ पे d dash इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2d. तो 2d स्क्वायर बाई 4 कैंसिल आउट. The value of A dash will be pi d square. So R dash equal to rho L by A dash, that is pi d square upon R is equal to rho L by pi d square by 4. We are putting the values in the term of diameter. Okay. So when it will be check out rho L and rho L will be cancel out, pi d square cancel out, so r dash by r is equal to 1 by 4, so the value of r dash is equal to r by 4. It means after doubling the diameter, the resistance becomes 1 by 4. Okay. In question number 7, it is given as ampere I की value दी हुई है in ampere, that is 0.5, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and potential is given as in volt, that is 1.6, 3.4, 6.7 and 13.2 and 10.2 and 13.2. Okay, so you have to calculate the you have to draw the graph, plot the graph between V and I. तो ग्राफ प्लॉट करना है तो इट इज क्वाइट इजी. आपके पास ग्राफ पेपर होगा तो ग्राफ पेपर में आपको आई एक्स एक्सिस पे या वाई एक्सिस पे कैलकुलेट करना. अगर ऐसे ग्राफ होगा आपका तो बी और आई, ठीक है. जो वैल्यूज है 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, ओके, 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4. This denote x axis denote the representation of the current and y axis represent the value of voltage. So 1.6, yeah, 1.6 over 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to जितना भी जाए आपको कहाँ तक जाना, तो उसको 14 तक आपको ड्रॉ करना है. So corresponding to 0.5 ampere, you will getting the value of 1.6. Corresponding to 1 ampere, you are getting 3.4. So corresponding to 2, you are getting 6.7 over here. Sorry, 6 point here. So it will be straight line, you know. If it is a ohmic resistance, it is following the Ohm's law. So it will be a straight line. R is equal to V by I, or V is equal to IR. So V is directly proportional to I. At the constant value of R, V and I is directly proportional. So you get a straight line. So this is the graph, plotting the graph between V and I. And second part is find the resistance of that resistor. So for each value of I, you are getting a particular value of potential. So let this is I1. So for I1 is 0.5, you are getting V1 as 1.6. For these particular values, you will get the value of R1. So R1 is equal to V1 by I1, 0.5 upon 1.6, or it will be 5 by 16. So this is the value of R1. So like that, you have to find R1, R2, and last find the R4. So you will get final value of 13 upon 2 upon 4. So you will get the value R1, R2, R3 and R4. So finally R equivalent will be R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 by 4. And the value you are getting after calculation, that will be the R equivalent. So that will be the resistance of the resistor. Okay. Okay, there are 5 resistance, so you have to calculate the 5 values. Okay, so if you have 5 values, so it will be divided by 5, and the values are getting as 3.34. Okay. Question number 8. When a 12 volt battery is attached to a, is connected across an unknown resistance. Resistance is unknown to us. Okay. There is a current of 2.5 milliampere. Current is 2.5 milliampere. So it is 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere. कभी भी मिली एम्पियर में अगर करंट दी हो तो उसको एम्पियर में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, लेंथ सेंटीमीटर में है तो उसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। क्लियर है? सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इन द रेजिस्टर। ओके, सो जस्ट अप्लाई सिंपल, अप्लाई ओम्स लॉ। ओम्स लॉ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? V is equal to IR, R is equal to V by I. We have to calculate IR. So V is equal to what? 12 volt upon 2.5 up into 10 to the power minus 3. So it will go to the numerator and it will be positive. So 12 upon 2.5 into 10 to the power 3. Up to 2.5 means what? 5 by 2. It is 5 by 2. 12 upon 5 by 2 means, so it will be around 24 by 5 10 to the power 3. So it will be 4.8 something 10 to the power 3 ohm. Okay. Okay, 4.8 into 10 to the power 3 ohm. So 10 to the power 3 means kilo ohm. Okay, so the value of resistance is 4.8 into kilo ohm. Okay, that is kilo ohm. Okay.